Hello student of 12th, pay attention. Today I will explain find the adjoint and inverse of matrix. You have to find the matrix A 1 minus 2 4 0 2 1 minus 4 5 and 3. Find the adjoint of A. First this one is changed. A is 1 minus 2 4 0 2 1 minus 4 5 and 3 is the determinant form. And then find the value of cofactors. Already I explained how to find cofactor. This one is plus M11 minus M12 plus M13 minus M21 plus M22 minus M23 plus M31 minus M32 plus M33. All these M11, M12, M13 and each all is known as minus. How to find minus? Also already I explained this. And C, find the minus of A. Then the M11 is the value of 2153. M12 is the value of 01 minus 43 and M13 is the value of 02 minus 4 5. Similarly, find the value of, note on this one, find the value of M21, M22 and M23 and find the value of M31, M32 and M33. Already I explained how to find the minus of these values. Note down this one. When you find the minus of M11, M12, M13, M31, M32, M33 and M21, M22, M223, then substitute this value in this formula of cofactor. I write down directly. That is the value of, note down this one, 1 minus 4 8 26 19 3 and minus 10 minus 1 and 2. This is the cofactors of determinant A. Already I explained in my previous video how to find cofactors and this is the result. Note on this. After that, this may be right. Adjoint of A is, write down in the symbol of matrices, 1 minus 4 8 26 19 3 minus 10 minus 1 2 and use the symbol of transpose. Then adjoint of A is, already I explained it. What is the meaning of this dash? It is known as transpose. Meaning of this, R1 change in C1, R2 change in C2 and R3 change in C3. the value of adjoint of A. Note down this. Note down this one. Noted. And next part, find the value of part 2. Find the value of A inverse by adjoint method. How to find adjoint A? Already I explained it. And the value of A inverse, formula of A inverse, the adjoint of A upon determinant of A. Note down this formula. Then find the value of determinant of A. Already 1 minus 4, 8, 26, 19, 3, minus 10, minus 1 and 2. Expanded belongs to R1. And find the value of determinant of A. After finding the value of determinant of A, how to expand belongs to R1. Already I explained this method, and by using the method, find the determinant of A. Note down this. When you find the value of determinant of A, use the formula of inverse. A inverse is adjoint of A upon determinant of A. Substitute the value of adjoint of A. Already you know what is the value of adjoint A, and also substitute the value of determinant of A. This is the value of A inverse. This is the value of A inverse. Note down this one. Noted? I am explaining one other problem, how to find A inverse. You have a matrix A is defined by 3 minus 10 minus 1 minus 2, 8 and 2, 2 minus 4 and minus 2. Note down this. Find the adjoint of A. Find the adjoint of A. First this one is changed, determinant form, and this is the value of 3 minus 10 minus 1 minus 2, 8, 2, 2 minus 4 minus 2. This one is changed in the determinant form, and also find the adjoint of A. Already I explained it, how to find the adjoint of A. Directly I am explaining the value of adjoint of A. The adjoint of A is minus 8 minus 16 minus 12 0 minus 4 minus 4 minus 8 minus 8 and 4. This is the value of adjoint of A. Also find the determinant of A expanded along to R1 and value of determinant of A is minus 16. The value of determinant of A minus 16. This is the value of adjoint of A. This is the value of determinant of A. Both already you are knowing how to find adjoint of A and determinant of A. Then apply the formula A inverse is adjoint of A upon determinant of A. Note on this one. And after that, substitute the value of adjoint of A. A inverse is adjoint of A is minus 8 minus 16 minus 12 0 minus 4 minus 4 minus 8 minus 8 4 and the value of determinant of A is minus 16. Therefore write down 1 upon minus 16. Then this minus 1 by 16 multiply by this value. So minus 8 upon minus 16 minus 16 upon minus 16 minus 12 upon minus 16 0 upon minus 16 minus 4 upon minus 16 and minus 4 upon minus 16, and the last is minus 8 upon minus 16 minus 8 upon minus 16 and 4 upon minus 16. This minus minus 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 16 1 minus minus 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16. That is minus minus 4 1 is 4, 4 4 is 16, 4 1 is 4, 4 4 is 16, 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, and then the value of A inverse is value of A inverse, that is 1 by 2, this is 1, this is 3 by 4, this one is 0, this is 1 by 4, and this is also 1 by 4. This is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2, and this one is minus 1 by 4. And this is your value of A inverse. Note down this one. Do this problem. Have you any doubt? You may inform me and I will solve your doubt in your next turn. Thank you.